Now repeat after me. Awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity. We help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning. Awesome sauce is a slang term used to describe something that is exceptionally cool, amazing, or impressive. It's often used in a playful, exaggerated way to express excitement or approval for something. Think of it like this. When something is so awesome, just saying awesome isn't enough. You call it awesome sauce? In a sentence, the concert last night was totally awesome sauce. I'm still buzzing from the energy. Here, awesome sauce is used to describe how incredible the concert was. Let's try another example. Your presentation was awesome sauce. You nailed every point with confidence. Some synonyms for awesome sauce are epic, something that is grand or impressive. Amazing, something that causes great wonder or surprise. Antonyms, the opposite of awesome sauce, would be lame, something that is unimpressive or dull. Mediocre, something that is average, just okay, not special. Parts of speech. Awesome sauce is an adjective used to describe something that's outstanding or exceptionally great. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.